Have you ever pondered the future of our Earth? This is a question that's not just for the philosophers among us but for each and every one of us. As we journey through the cosmos on this blue marble we call home, it's vital to consider what lies ahead. Imagine, if you will, our planet several decades from now. Some scientists predict a future where technology and nature coexist harmoniously. Cities of towering skyscrapers covered in greenery, solar panels powering our homes, and electric cars humming down the highways. It's a future where humanity has embraced sustainability, and our carbon footprint is but a whisper of its former self. Yet other predictions are not so rosy. Some environmentalists warn of a world ravaged by climate change. They tell of coastlines swallowed by rising seas, of extreme weather events becoming the norm, of species disappearing into the annals of extinction. It's a future where the Earth groans under the weight of our actions. Then there are those who speak of the unknown, of potential threats from the depths of space itself, asteroids on a collision course with Earth, solar flares disrupting our technology, or even the distant possibility of extraterrestrial life. Why, you might wonder, do we dwell on such possibilities? Why imagine futures that range from utopia to apocalypse? Well, the answer is simple. By understanding these potential outcomes, we can better prepare for them. We can strive to mitigate the effects of climate change, develop technologies to protect our planet, and foster a deeper respect for the delicate balance of our ecosystem. This isn't about fear-mongering or painting a picture of doom and gloom. It's about awareness. It's about using the knowledge we have to shape a better future. A future where our planet thrives and where the next generation can live in harmony with the Earth. So as we delve deeper into this topic, remember this. The future of Earth is uncertain, but understanding potential outcomes helps us prepare. It's a journey of discovery, of learning, and ultimately, of hope. What are the forces that could potentially lead to Earth's destruction? An intriguing question that might send chills down your spine. Yet it's crucial that we explore the possibilities, as alarming as they may be, to understand the potential threats to our home planet. Firstly, let's talk about natural disasters. They are the Earth's method of reshaping itself, and while they are essential for the planet's evolution, their intensities can be cataclysmic. Mega-earthquakes, supervolcanoes, and massive tsunamis have the potential to cause widespread destruction, affecting every life form on Earth. Next, we have the human-induced climate change. Our relentless pursuit of industrialization and modern comforts has led to a significant increase in greenhouse gases, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. This global warming could lead to drastic changes in the climate, causing severe droughts, floods, and storms that could devastate human populations and ecosystems alike. Thirdly, there's the terrifying prospect of nuclear war. The proliferation of nuclear weapons poses a significant threat to our planet. A full-scale nuclear war could lead to a nuclear winter, where the Earth's surface cools dramatically. This could lead to the extinction of many species, including humans. Lastly, let's not forget about the threats from outer space. Asteroid impacts have been a part of Earth's history, and they are not just a thing of the past. A large asteroid impact could cause enormous destruction, leading to mass extinctions. These are not just fantasies from a science fiction novel, they are real, scientifically plausible scenarios. It's not to say that these events are imminent or inevitable, but they are possibilities that we cannot afford to ignore. Understanding these potential causes of Earth's destruction is the first step in finding ways to prevent or mitigate their effects. These causes, while terrifying, are real possibilities that demand our attention. But what would be the effects of such catastrophic events? Imagine the unimaginable. The Earth, our planet, the cradle of life, is destroyed. We're not talking about a mere disaster, but the complete obliteration of our world. This, of course, is a scenario we hope never to witness, but it's worth pondering the consequences. The first and most immediate effect would be the extinction of all life. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every living creature would cease to exist. The loss of biodiversity would be absolute and irreversible. Even the hardiest of creatures, such as the virtually indestructible tardigrade, could not survive the complete destruction of Earth. Moving on, let's consider the climate. Earth's climate is a delicate balance shaped by countless factors like solar radiation, atmospheric composition, and the planet's rotation. Destroy the Earth and this intricate system collapses. No more seasons, no more weather, just an endless void where our planet once was. What about us? humanity's survival would be next to impossible. Even if some of us managed to escape into space before the end, life would be incredibly difficult. Our bodies are adapted to Earth's gravity, atmosphere, and climate. Life in space is harsh and unforgiving. Without Earth, we would be homeless wanderers in the cosmos, struggling to survive in a hostile environment. Furthermore, the destruction of Earth would have profound effects on the solar system as well. Earth's gravitational pull keeps the moon in orbit and influences the paths of nearby asteroids. Remove Earth, and these celestial bodies would go astray, potentially causing chaos in the solar system. Finally, let's not forget the psychological impact. Earth is not just a planet, it's our home. It's where we were born, where we've made memories, where we've dreamed of the future. Its loss would leave a void in our hearts no other planet could fill. The effects of Earth's destruction are sobering reminders of the fragility of life as we know it. How can we prepare for these potential futures? As we peer into the looking glass of time, we see a myriad of possibilities, each with its unique challenges. But fear not, for the power to shape our future lies in our hands. The tools, scientific research, technological advancements, and global cooperation. Scientific research is akin to a lighthouse in a stormy sea, illuminating the path ahead. It uncovers the mysteries of the universe, helps us understand the impacts of our actions, and provides solutions to the challenges we face. From studying climate models to exploring sustainable energy sources, scientists around the globe are working tirelessly to safeguard our home for future generations. Next, we turn to the realm of technology. From the wheel to the internet, technology has always been a game changer, a tool that redefines possibilities. Today, it continues to hold immense potential. Advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and quantum computing are not just buzzwords. They are powerful tools that can help us model complex scenarios, predict outcomes, and devise strategies to mitigate potential threats. But even the most sophisticated scientific knowledge and cutting-edge technology are not enough if we work in isolation. This leads us to the third tool in our arsenal: global cooperation. The challenges we face, such as climate change and resource depletion, are global in nature. They do not recognize national boundaries. Hence, our response must also be global. We need to foster a spirit of international collaboration, sharing knowledge, resources, and solutions to tackle these challenges together. We must remember, our future is not set in stone. It is a canvas on which we can paint our dreams or our fears. The choices we make today, the actions we take, will shape the world of tomorrow. So let's choose wisely, act responsibly, and build a future where Earth continues to thrive. Preparation is key to survival, and the more we understand, the better we can prepare. So, what does the future hold for our Earth? As we've journeyed through the potential causes and effects of Earth's destruction, it's clear that our home planet's fate isn't something to be taken lightly. From natural disasters to mankind's own reckless actions, the threats are real and they're imminent. Each one carries a weighty consequence, changing life as we know it and possibly even erasing it completely. But let's not forget the resilience of our planet and the innovative spirit of humanity. While we've explored the dire possibilities, it's important to remember that these are not set in stone. They are warnings, wake-up calls that urge us to step up and take responsibility for our actions. The importance of preparation and understanding has been a recurring theme throughout our discussion. We've seen how a lack of foresight can lead to devastating results, and how awareness and proactive measures can potentially avert disaster. It's a lesson that applies not just to the preservation of the Earth, but to every facet of our lives. In the face of destruction, knowledge is our most powerful tool. It enables us to understand the consequences of our actions and empowers us to make better decisions. It's the key to unlocking solutions, to turning the tide on our planet's future. As we move forward, it's essential that we continue to educate ourselves and others about the threats we face. Each one of us has a role to play in safeguarding our Earth, whether it's making small changes in our daily lives or pushing for larger-scale initiatives. Every action counts. So, as we conclude, let's not view these potential scenarios as an inevitable end, but as a call to action. Let's use the knowledge we've gained to fuel our efforts in preserving our planet. Because at the end of the day, the future isn't something that simply happens to us, it's something we create. The future of Earth is in our hands, and knowledge is our most powerful tool.